Time to go on. You've got your homes to go to. This is our home. We've got nowhere to go to.
And yet, you people went all around the world. For hundreds of years, you were in our homes. And we were telling you, get the fuck out of here. Go back to your homes. Don't you have a home to go to? And you were like, no, I'd rather stay. I'll steal all of your shit. Take it back home. Listen, man, here's an idea. You can have your country back if you give back all the stuff that you stole from our countries. I can speak for India, if nobody else has a problem. Yeah, the bill is $55 trillion. That's how much you stole from India. So will that be check or cash, credit card? No, you don't have that money? Well, you can't have your fucking country back then. Let me put it in terms that you'll understand. You take money from somebody and you can't pay it back, they take your house. And by the way, just a reminder that Tommy is the most common dog name in India. You're welcome.